how to enable or fix your microphone not working on Google Chrome. That's what I'm going to show you guys in this video, so let's get started right away. So you basically want to click on the three dots, then click on the settings right there. Once you're here, you want to scroll a bit down till you see the privacy and security tab. You want to click on the site settings. Right here you can see microphone, and you want to click on that as well. And as you can see right there, the microphone settings have appeared. And the first thing you want to do is make sure you have like set up the correct or chosen the correct microphone you use. If you choose the wrong one, you might not be able to, or the other person might not be able to hear you, or it might not work. Also, you can enable or disable this if you want to. And as last, what you can do is see if that certain website you want the microphone to be used on is in the block list, because it might be blocked by you accidentally, or Chrome blocked it for you. I don't know, but yeah, I don't have any blocked websites. But if there's a blocked website right there, you can just choose, or you can just search through them and see if that certain website is in here. And that's basically everything you can do to fix it. So yeah, I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked. I'll see you next time. Have a good day.